Chapter 10. Audacity. Audacity audio editing software is a software which allows editing and generating of audio data. Audio editing software can be implemented completely or partly as library, as computer application, as web application. Most of these can edit music, apply effects and filters, etc. Audacity is an easy-to-use but powerful audio recording and editing package. It enables you to record your voice, edit your recording to correct any mistakes you might make, and to combine sound recordings from various sources such as music or other sound recordings you may have. It also enables you to export your recording as an MP3 file. Starting Audacity. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Choose Audacity from the All programs. When Audacity starts, you will see the main screen as shown here. The menu bar has many applications like File, Edit, Select, etc. Project area is the place where you work on an audio. Toolbars are where there are different tools which are used to directly work on the tracks. There are 8 main toolbars in Audacity. The following are the toolbars: Transport toolbar, Tools toolbar, Recording meter toolbar, Playback meter toolbar, Mixer toolbar, Edit toolbar, Device toolbar, Transcription toolbar. Transport toolbar has buttons for controlling playback, recording and for moving to the project start or end. These controls will be familiar for most record or playback devices. The following buttons are present in this toolbar. Button. Action. Pause button. Will pause during playback or recording. To unpause, press this button again. Play button. Press the play button to listen to the selected audio in your project. Stop button. Press the stop button or press space bar to stop playback immediately. Skip to start button. Press to move the playback head to start off track. Skip to end button. Press to move the playback head to end of track. Record button. Press the record button to record a new track from your computer's sound input device. Tools toolbar enables your current tool for tasks such as selection, volume adjustment, horizontal zooming, or audio time shifting. Button. Action. Selection tool for selecting audio before applying an effect. Envelope tool for modifying the volume, amplitude, loudness of the track. Draw tool to redraw the sound waveform. It can thus be used to make volume changes to individual samples or effect repairs to clicks or noise. Zoom tool. Zoom tool is used to zoom in or zoom out to see the details of sound wave. Time shift tool for shifting sound clips earlier or later in time. Multi-tool combines all other 5 tools in one. Creating a new project. Step 1. Click on File. Step 2. Click on Save Project. Save project as. Step 3. Navigate to the location where you want to save the file. A folder with the name Audacity has been created. Write the name for your project in File Name box and click on Save. Importing files. Step 1. Open the File menu and select Import Audio. Step 2. Select a file and click Open. Step 3. Audacity opens the file in an audio track. Recording an audio file. Recording sound with Audacity is very simple. You just need to have a computer that has a sound card with a microphone. Step 1. Click on the Record button in the Transport toolbar. Step 2. Start saying what you wish to record. Step 3. Press the Pause button in the Transport toolbar if you wish to pause your recording at any point. Press it again to resume recording. Step 4. Press the Stop button in the Transport toolbar when you have finished your recording. When you have finished your recording, you should see your voice represented as a waveform. Saving a project. After you are done with the recording, you should save the project to avoid losing any work in case a problem arises. To save the recorded audio, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on File. Step 2. Click on Save Project. Fact bit. The unit of sound is Hertz, Hz. Deleting an audio track. To delete an audio track or a part of it, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Selection tool button. Step 2. Click and drag to select the portion of the waveform that you wish to change. Click the Cut and button or press Delete key. The unwanted audio is removed and the audio on either side of the selected region is joined together, leaving no gap. Basic editing. Cut and paste. If you wish to shift an audio or a section of an audio from one place to another, then you can easily do so with Audacity. To do this, follow the steps given below. Step 1. First, select the part or section that you wish to shift. Step 2. Choose the Edit menu. Cut to remove the selected region from the track and place it on the clipboard. The selected part will be removed. Step 3. Finally, click on the remaining audio track at the point where you want this section of audio to be shifted to. Step 4. Choose the Edit menu, Paste. Trimming an audio track. Trimming audio tracks is useful when you only want to keep one part of an audio track. It is different from using the cut or delete function as it maintains the time location of the part of the track you want to keep. Step 1. Click the Selection tool button. Step 2. Click and drag to select the portion of the waveform that you wish to change. Step 3. Click the Trim button to keep only the selected audio in the track. Fading in and fading out. Fade effects are among the most common effects used in audio production. They can be used to create a smooth lead in or a gradual end to a musical recording. They may be used to create a smooth transition from one piece of audio to another. Fade-in effects begin with from silence and increase to full volume, and fade-out effects begin at full volume and decrease to silence, but may equally refer to a transition from one volume level to another, quieter or louder level. To create a fade-out, Step 1. Click the Selection tool button to select a section of waveform at the end of the track where you wish the audio to fade out. Step 2. Click on Effect, Fade Out. Step 3. You will see the waveform gradually get smaller at the end, and if you listen to it, you will hear it fade away to nothing. You can create the opposite effect by choosing Effect, Fade In from the main menu to create a gradual fade-in at the beginning of an audio track if you wish. Envelope tool. Envelope tool is the most useful editing tools in Audacity. It allows you to alter the volume of individual tracks in Audacity. The blue line in an audio actually represents the volume of each track. Step 1. Click on the envelope tool. Step 2. Click the blue line to add a handle, a white square point. When you have more than one handle, you can change the volume of the sound between the two handles. Step 3. Place your mouse cursor on the top white square. Step 4. You can widen by dragging the mouse upwards to increase the volume and narrow it down by dragging the mouse downwards to reduce the volume. To remove a handle, click and drag it off the track. Exporting a file. The Save option in Audacity creates a project file that can be opened in Audacity only. Projects created in Audacity are always saved in Audacity's own unique file format that cannot be opened by most other software. Audacity can export in the following common formats: MP3, WAV, or GG. To export a file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on Export. A sub-menu will appear to choose the format you want to export your file in. Step 3. Once you have chosen your format, a window will open, allowing you to edit the file name and browse to the location where you want to save the file. You will also have various format options depending on the specific format you have chosen. Here is the export window with format options for MP3. Step 4. Click on Save and the export process will begin. You should now be able to see the file in the folder where you choose to save it.